What's going on, everyone? Sam here with LaytonSportsCards. We're ripping one box of 2022 Topps Chrome Hobby and one box of 2022 Topps Chrome Jumbo for Ammo D. So good luck here, Ammo. See what we got in here for you, my man. We've got, start with the Hobby. We've also got your 4 silver packs as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll be ripping those at the end for you. See if we can pull something massive out of there. Rather there's like a big super in there or something. It'd be unreal, dude. Things are so loaded. It's actually unreal how good those things are. All right, here we go. Let's pull something big. Let's pull super, man. Riley Adams on the Prism rookie. Aaron Judge. Prism Anthony Rendon going to the Angels and Arenado. Pinstripe George Springer, Stuart Fairchild rookie. Future Stars Ryan Mountcastle, J-Ram. Vladdy. There's a Vidal Brujan, Refractor rookie. Rays, Adam Frazier. Blue Bob, Ryan Blade. Detmers, rookie, base. Heart of the City, Bryce Harper. Refractor, Eli Morgan, rookie for the Guardians. And Michael Brantley. Chrome dust getting in my nose there. Refractor, Austin Riley.
FIFA 23's out.
Is it? Did it just come out?
Yeah.
Man. Arenado, George Springer. Steal, honestly. There's a Zach Pop rookie auto going to the Marlins. Nice hit for you there, Ammo. Max Fried, first auto of the break.
My brother the whole time.
Yeah. O'Neal Cruz rookie. Refractor Yelich. Edward Cabrera. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to talk to me sometimes because I talk so much trash.
Got Refractor. Prism rookie is Luis Heel. Jazz Chisholm. That's funny.
That's how people get ready to play. Don't talk trash. I'm just not going to play with you. I don't want to talk no trash, man.
Gold, Giancarlo Stanton, 25 out of 50. Nice one there. Congrats, Ammo. Stanton hit a big home run today.
Huge way to start the game.
Oh, yeah. Nico Horner refractor.
Put 3 on early. Bad news.
That's what did it right there. Newt Bar, Walker Buehler. Blue, Alex Manoah on the Ray Wave, 115 out of 150. Nice color match for the Blue Jays there. Very good young pitcher, Jose Barrios, another guy in that rotation. Man, they were disappointing this year.
They are.
Starling Marte? Yeah, they are.
Same thing every year, man. You got all the talent in the world.
Just can't win.
Can't do it.
Wilson Contreras and Joey Gallo. Was that a Brujan rookie? No, that was a rookie. No. Perfect. Couple more packs to go in Hobby here. Base. Good luck here, Ammo. You got your silver packs too. Very excited for those. Bo Bichette, Adam Frazier, Joe Ryan. Seth Beer, George Springer, Dansby Swanson. Brandon Woodruff. Ryan Valade, Refractor rookie. Nice one. Way to end it. All right, let's do your Topps Chrome Hobby now, or your Jumbo. Good luck here, Ammo. 10 packs, looking for 5 autos per box here. See what we can pull out of here, man. Good luck, good luck. There's Cal Raleigh right on top, big thumper.
Dumper.
It's Trevor Story on the Prism. We got rookie auto Peyton Henry for the Marlins, not numbered, and Vidal Brujan refractor rookie. Nice. Good way to start there. Got Anthony Rizzo on the teal, 53 out of 199. Got Franmil Reyes on the Prism Refractor. Eloy on this regular refractor.
Rizzo's the only one of those Cubs that made the right move, huh?
Guess so, honestly.
I mean, jeez.
There's Vidal Brujan rookie. Honestly, I guess so.
Trash.
Vidal Brujan and Wainwright. Who else is there?
Chris Bryant went to that same
Rockies. That was good. No, then he went to the Rockies. He got traded to the Giants and signed with the Rockies.
Really?
Yeah, for a ton of money, and they're just like they're never gonna win.
No, they're never gonna win.
There's Jaron Duran rookie right on top.
He got his ring now, so he get that money.
Yeah, I guess I don't really blame him. Jesse Winker. There's Spencer Watkins on the rookie auto not numbered for the Orioles. Refractor Chris Sale. Who else is on that core too? Baez, Schwarber. I mean Schwarber has kind of bounced around a little, but
he's been okay. He's been in the playoffs like every year. It seems like.
But he was never like the superstar on
No.
that team. He was never like Bryant or Rizzo. Blake Snell, Prism. Rookie Griffin Jacks going to the Twins. And Emmanuel Rivera on the refractor rookie. We got a jersey card coming up in here. Always nice to get an extra hit. Mookie Betts, Matt Vierling. That is Corbin Burns on the Prism. We've got Alex Bregman on the Jumbo jersey card. Topps Chrome Club Threads. That is not numbered. Nice Bregman. And an Aaron Judge refractor. Nice.
What time's that game tomorrow? You know?
I don't. Hopefully it was when we're here. I mean, I'm sure it will be, but yeah.
It's gonna be prime time.
Yeah. Probably 7:30 would be my guess. Trevor Larnach, 301 out of 350. Pink mini diamonds. Walker Buehler. There's a Yelich. We got a blue coming up here. That's going to be blue Cedric Mullins. Nice. 74 out of 150 for the Orioles. Nice hit there. Ammo. And Garrett Cole refractor. That is Josiah Gray on the Prism rookie. And Ozzie Albies. Real Muto. There's a Tyler Gilbert. Sonny Gray on the Prism. Got Hoy Park, refractor rookie auto, 448 out of 499. Nice one there. Congrats on that, Ammo. Very solid refractor rookie to hit on the auto. Joshua, India. Gavin Sheets and Matt Olson refractor. Last pack before we do your silvers. Good luck here. Rodolfo Castro. We got Blue Wave, Evan Longoria, 37 out of 75. Nice one there for the G-Men. Freddie Freeman and refractor Albert Pujols. Very cool. Nice way to end it. All right, Emma, we got, oh no, we're just doing 2 silver packs. My apologies. 2 silver packs. I don't know why I thought it was 4. 1 per box. Casey Mize, Alec Bohm. Randy Arozarena and Mike Yastrzemski. That'll do it for your break there. Ammo, congrats on the hits, buddy. We'll get them right out to you. Appreciate it as always.